Hello everyone. In today's video, we will show you how to operate LCS 150S, which is Interferential Therapy Machine. It is our updated IFT model having LCD display, and this whole unit can be operated with the help of multifunctional port or MFP. It also has a function of balancing the intensity of both the channels using the balance knob. This model comes along with these accessories: mains cable, 4 electrodes of 3 into 2 inches, 4 electrodes of 2 into 2 inches, 2 fuses of 1 ampere, small velcro strap, big velcro strap, 4 silicon output cables in which 2 are red and 2 are black, and 1 ECG gel bottle. So first you have to connect the mains cable at the back side of the machine, and then you have to insert the output cables in the respective channels, which can be identified using the color scheme, and at the other end of the cable you have to insert the electrode pads. To turn on the machine, you will find the on-off switch which is present at the back side of the machine, and this is how the machine starts. Using this MFP, you can move up or down by moving it clockwise and anti-clockwise respectively. In the menu, you will see interferential, Russian current, dynamic, preset program, load program, create program, and probe test. To select any mode, you have to press the MFP knob. The first one is interferential. Here you will find 3 more modes. The first one is 4-pole classic, then 4-pole vector, and 2-pole modulated. In 4-pole classic mode, you will find the treatment time, which ranges from 1 to 99 minutes. And to set the desirable time, you have to press the MFP knob and rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise. To set the desirable time, you have to press the MFP knob again. The frequency type is square. The carrier frequency starts from 2 kHz, 2.5, 4, 6, 8 and 10 kHz. The base frequency also ranges from 0 to 250 Hz. The sweep frequency also ranges from 0 to 250 Hz. In spectrum PGM, you will find trapezoidal, triangular and rectangular waveforms. And to start the therapy, you have to press the MFP knob. Or you can go back also. Now to start the therapy, I will press the MFP knob. As you know that the IFT works on the feedback mechanism from the patient's body, and in the starting you will feel that the intensity increases gradually to avoid any sudden shock to the patient, so you won't be able to see any intensity appear on the display. As soon as you see the intensity appear on the display, it increases in a linear manner. The function of this balance knob is to adjust the intensity of both the channels. To increase the intensity of channel 1, you have to move it clockwise. And to increase the intensity of channel 2, you have to move it anti-clockwise. To decrease the intensity of both the channels together, you can use the MFP knob. Or to increase also, you can use the MFP knob. Now to stop the therapy, I will press the MFP knob. And to resume the therapy, again I will press on start, and the intensity already came back to 0. And it will start from the time from where I left. Now if you want to go to the main menu directly from here, you have to stop the therapy. Bring the cursor to back. Press and hold the MFP knob for about 2 to 3 seconds. And you will be redirected to the main menu. Now we will select the 4-pole vector mode. Here again you will find the treatment time, which ranges from 1 to 99 minutes. The frequency type is square. The carrier frequency is 2 kHz, 2.5 kHz, 4 kHz, 6, 8 and 10 kHz. The base frequency ranges from 0 to 250 Hz, and same with sweep frequency also. In spectrum PGM, trapezoidal, triangular and rectangular waveforms are there. In vector PGM, 2-pole linear is there, 4-pole linear, 4-pole trapezoidal and 4-pole nonlinear. Vector level ranges from 10 to 100%. You can start the therapy or go back also. To start the therapy, I will press the MFP knob. Now here you can increase or decrease the intensity using the MFP knob, and with the help of balance you can adjust the intensity of both the channels individually. To stop the therapy, I will press the MFP knob. Now we will select the 2-pole modulated mode. In this you will find the treatment time, which ranges from 1 to 99 minutes. The frequency type is square. The carrier frequency starts from 2 kHz, then 2.5, 4, 6, 8 and 10 kHz. The base frequency ranges from 0 to 250 Hz. The sweep frequency also ranges from 0 to 250 Hz. Spectrum PGM you will find trapezoidal, triangular and rectangular waveform. Modulation ranges from 10 to 100%. You can start the therapy or go back also. Now to start the therapy, I will press the MFP knob. Using this knob, you can increase or decrease the intensity, and with this balance knob, you can adjust the intensity of both the channels individually. To stop the therapy, I will press the MFP knob. In Russian current, you will see the treatment time from 1 to 99 minutes. Frequency type is square. Here the carrier frequency is 2.5 kHz. The base frequency is from 0 to 250 Hz. Sweep frequency is also from 0 to 250 Hz. And by pressing on start, you can start the therapy. I'm increasing the intensity, and with this balance knob, you can adjust the intensity of respective channels also. By moving it clockwise, the intensity of channel 1 is increasing, and by moving it anti-clockwise, the intensity of channel 2 will increase. In dynamic mode, you will see the treatment time, which ranges from 1 to 99 minutes, and in this you can select the different current modes as per your need. The first one is quarters period, longus periods, diphase fix and monophase fix. You can start the therapy. The fourth option in the main menu is preset program. In this you will find predefined programs which are created for different conditions. Total 50 programs are in it. Like for example, if I select the frozen shoulder program, here you will see the parameters are already defined. The only thing that you can adjust in this program is the treatment time and the intensity when you start the therapy. By pressing on start, you can directly start this therapy for frozen shoulder. To create a program, you have to press on create program, and here you can create 99 programs of your choice. I will show you by creating one program. You have to rotate this encoder. Now you can see the alphabets are visible. After the alphabets, numericals will come, and then special characters are also available in this. I am creating a program ABC. B. You can select the mode in which you want the program to function: 4-pole classic, 4-pole vector or 2-pole modulated. For example, I will select 2-pole modulated. The treatment time I will set 11 minutes. The sweep frequency also I will set on 19 Hz. And the modulation I will set at 12%. By pressing on save, the program will get saved. You can also start the program from here also, or you can go back, and this created program will be visible in the load program like this. You can see the parameters that I had selected are visible over here. You can see the program name is visible at the top also. The seventh option in the main menu is probe test. Using this feature, you can check whether all the accessories are working fine or not. For this, you have to take individual electrode cable like this and then insert both the ends into single channel. You have to follow the same for red electrode cable also. Then you have to select probe test. It is showing passed, which means that both the electrode cables are working fine, and you can check all the individual cables using the same steps. To check the electrode pads, you have to insert the electrode cables into the machine, and at the other end of the cables you have to insert the electrode pads. And you have to make sure that both the pads are in contact with each other and then select probe test. It shows passed, which means that the electrode pads are also fine. If there is no display coming in the machine, you have to check the fuse which is present at the back side in this fuse tray. You have to pop it out. Here you will find two fuses. The first one is already in contact and the second is spare. You have to check whether it is blown out or not, and if it is, then you can replace it with the one we give as spare. Thank you.